Hi friends, welcome to my channel DIY with D. And today I am going to tell you a very interesting method of coloring your hair naturally. So I've been using this method for quite long time now, I think more than 4 years, and I'm extremely satisfied with the result I get. Before that I was using hair color to color my grays. I had very few grays that time, but when I started using it frequently, I got a lot of them. So I thought of quitting hair color and adapting a natural way by which I can color my hair. At least if not black, then something close to black, like dark brown. So I looked out for some ways by which I can color my hair. So one day, my friend suggested me to use henna and indigo to create the same kind of effects on hair, which can cover all the grays as well as it will protect the hair. So I thought of using it and it worked out really well for me. So I'm going to share the same thing with you, how I'm doing it and what is the procedure, what ingredients other than henna and indigo I'm using to get the desired result.
But before that, here's a pic of my hair transformation. The first one is a raw image with grays. The second pic is taken after step 1, that is applying henna. And the last pic is the final outcome of the step 2, where I have applied indigo over henna. I hope you all can see that the result is great. Now let me elaborate it a little more for better understanding.
So for this application, there are two methods which you can use. One is one day method, in which the two steps process will be done in one day, and there is another way which is a 2 day method where you will be doing each step each day. So in first step, we'll be mixing henna with shikakai and amla to get the dark deep red color on hair, and over that we'll be using indigo, that is in blue color. In this process we'll be getting dark brown shade on our hair. So let's start with preparing the henna.
For that, I have taken a herbal henna powder, shikakai powder, and amla powder. Now we'll mix them all together in this big bowl, and over that I am putting this chalni or sieve to remove clumps in the powder. So let's start it. I am taking 100 grams of henna or mehendi powder. Now I will add 2 teaspoons of amla powder, and 1 teaspoon of shikakai powder. Now we need to mix them all together. As all the clumps are separated and I've got a fine powder in the bowl. Now here I have taken a bottle of filter water for making the paste, and I'll be adding it little by little. For mixing, I have got an egg beater which makes my paste much smoother for the application. We need to keep on adding the water till we get curd-like consistency. Now, as you can see, our henna paste is ready. I will now transfer it to an iron pot or iron kadai and leave it overnight for 10 to 12 hours. My henna paste is ready now, and I am applying it evenly, taking small sections of hair at a time. Last thing I do is to wrap my hair using shower cap. So after 3 hours I have washed my hair with warm water only and haven't used oil or shampoo. I hope you all can see that my greys are now turned deep red. Now let's move to step 2. For that I have indigo powder which I'll be mixing in this plastic bowl that I always use for indigo because it leaves blue mark on it. So let's prepare it now. I am taking only 2 tablespoons of indigo powder and will mix it with warm filtered water till it gets batter like consistency. Here I'll be adding a pinch of table salt in it for color fastness. Now our indigo paste is ready for use. I'm using this water spray to make my hair little damp, and this is a very important step when using indigo. Now I'll be applying indigo in the same way I applied henna. Since indigo can make your hair dry, you can use shampoo or conditioner while washing your hair after step 2. And again I'll be covering it with shower cap, but this time only for 90 to 120 minutes.
So friends, now I've washed my hair and as you can see that everything is dark brown now. All grays, they are covered. Nothing is visible. I hope you all can see that. So guys, I really hope you like the results and please do try at home. I'm sure you will get the best result. Please comment below if you find it really useful and don't forget to share and like this video. Also please subscribe to my channel for more of such videos. Bye for now. See you next time.